Hi kids, and Grandpa Dave here. I had planned a 5-day solo camping trip this spring. I have reservations in 3 state parks and the national forest over in Wyoming. Not going to be able to do it now. This COVID virus thing's keeping us all at home. I don't mind being at home, but once in a while you like a change of pace. So we talking to Mike and Tammy the other night, we said, well, why don't we just camp on the land here? This piece of land is varied in elevations and scenery and everything else. So we found a campsite that'll work for us, and we've already spent one night there. And I will show you that. Stay healthy. This is a view from Mike and Tammy's front yard down onto the camping area. It looks secluded, which it relatively is. So you see the end of the cul-de-sac over there. Beautiful day, sunny, early April. Close by we have a small fire ring. Across the path I brought my little Falcon travel light trailer, and I pulled it up there with my ATV. It's a nice little spot, a little rough on my ankles walking on the rocks. It's comfortable and secluded and out of the wind a little bit. I've built a trailer hitch behind the little camp trailer so that I can haul my ATV if I want to go somewhere out in the forest to ride. We've run a power cord down to the house, which is through the trees here, so I have 110 in the trailer. Summertime I can run the air conditioner if I need to. You can see my house down there just below the hill where I'm camped. Here come Mike and Tammy and Munch, getting ready for a evening of wine and campfire. It's a pleasant evening for April. These videos of the buffalo were taken nearly a year ago in the spring, but they do come right up to the property line fence, which you can see there. It's kind of fun. It's like you're really out in the wilderness. This spring, just a couple of weeks ago, for the very first time, we've seen a herd of elk just over the fence line there. It's just a wonderful spot. This is basically a view off of the front porch of my house. I'm a little shaky because I, spur of the moment, grabbed the camera and handheld it, so I apologize for the shakiness. for watching. Stay healthy. Stay home.